Welcome to today's review of the Nuwave Diamond Precision Induction Cooktop, a new and improved kitchen essential that brings precision and convenience to your cooking experience. With a powerful 1400 watts and a versatile temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooktop offers 91 pre-programmed temperature settings, allowing you to effortlessly adjust your cooking on the fly without starting over. The intuitive digital controls and enhanced cool white display make it easy to navigate through the 5 newly selected preset temperatures, ranging from low at 100 degrees Fahrenheit to sear at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're keeping delicate sauces warm or grilling a juicy steak with serious grill marks, the precise temperature control gives you the flexibility to fine-tune your cooking with 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Ideal for dorms, RVs, and small apartments, the Nuwave Diamond features a 6.5-inch heating coil and shatter-proof ceramic glass, providing durability and efficiency in a compact design. Plus, with 3 wattage settings, you can optimize energy usage to suit your needs. Experience the ultimate interactive cooking experience with the Nuwave Diamond Precision Induction Cooktop, where innovation meets practicality for all your culinary adventures.